Welcome to FB School of Economics. Hi, dear students. In previous lectures we discussed that we have limited resources and unlimited wants. To fulfill that needs and wants, we use goods and services. Today, we will learn about goods and services. First of all, we will see the economic definition of both terms. In economics, goods are those items which we use or consume to get maximum utility. In economics, services are those work or activities which we do for others. Here are some examples of goods and services. In goods we can see burger, vacuum and shoes. When we talk about services, the person who is delivering a food or a delivery boy is giving us food delivery service. Some people use cleaning services from others, and if you want to repair your shoes, you will get repairing services. So what are the differences between goods and services? Goods are tangible, they are physical commodities, goods can be restored. While on the other hand services are intangible, a process or an activity, and services cannot be restored. Can you find any other difference between goods and services? Comment below. Let's discuss some types of goods and services. Types of goods: 1. Normal goods. 2. Luxury goods. 3. Inferior goods. Types of services: 1. Business services. 2. Social services. And 3. Personal services. Now, we will discuss these types in detail. First we see goods. 1. Normal goods. It is a good that experiences an increase in its demand due to a rise in consumers' income. Two. Luxury goods. A luxury item is not necessary to live, but it is deemed highly desirable within a culture or society. Demand for luxury goods increases when a person's wealth or income increases. Inferior goods. In economics, an inferior good is a good whose demand decreases when consumer income rises, unlike normal goods. Business services are referred to as the activities that assist business yet does not deliver a tangible commodity. For instance, information technology is one such business service that supports various other business services such as shipping, procurement and finance. Social service, also called welfare service or social work, any of numerous publicly or privately provided services intended to aid disadvantaged, distressed, or vulnerable persons or groups. The term social service also denotes the profession engaged in rendering such services. Most businesses to consumer services are categorized under personal services. Customers pay money to a business or individual to receive a service in exchange. Examples of personal services includes a visit to doctor, haircut by a salon, food delivery or legal advice from a legal agency. That's all for today. Hope you understand the concept. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye.